Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can set up a fingerprint to unlock your Motorola Moto G84 5G. And for that you want to go to your settings and then go down to security and privacy. Go to device lock and click on fingerprint. You need to enter your PIN to, well, verify that it's you, and now you can say unlock with your fingerprint, touch the fingerprint sensor to unlock your phone, authorize purchases, or sign into apps. Set up using a screen protector. A screen protector can affect how the sensor reads your fingerprint. Each time you add a new screen protector, re-enroll your fingerprint for the best accuracy. Alright, got it. Find the fingerprint sensor, touch and lift, put your finger on the sensor and lift after you feel vibration, move your finger with each touch to record your entire fingerprint. Fingerprint added. Now you can unlock, log in and make payments with your fingerprint. Alright, we say done. We can rename our fingerprint here, delete it when clicking on the trash can symbol here, or we can add a fingerprint. Now we go back, lock our phone and want to unlock it again, and we press on the fingerprint sensor here, and now we're back in the phone. So that's how you can add your fingerprint to unlock your Motorola Moto G84 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.